Hello?
Bird, I've been thinking. We need a divorce. A document has been mailed to you. Please sign it as soon as possible. Doesn't make any sense if this continues, right?
Shit!
I'm begging you. 2 more days, I'll get you the money. Please, don't hurt her.
Can I borrow your light, please? Thank you. Watch it.
Sorry, man.
Yeah. All right. See you later. Where's my wallet? Did you steal my wallet?
Are you joking?
Well, you're the only one standing next to me just now.
He's the one that hit you. Why don't you ask him?
It was an accident. I didn't steal anything.
Really? Well, now you're holding that bag awfully close. Open it.
I said it's not me.
Guys! Whoa. When did you realize your wallet was missing?
Had it when it came in. Then I finished on the phone and it was gone. He did it. He hit me.
Open the bag. You say you didn't do it, open the bag.
But I didn't take it.
Hi, I'm calling the police.
Yo, I didn't do that.
Oh, you got it. That was you. You pushed him.
It was an accident.
All right, we split the money and we go our separate ways.
No way, that's illegal.
I need half. You hit him. If I get to the police, you're both going to jail.
Call the police, nobody's getting this money.
Fucking crazy? What are you doing? Wait, you do it.
Greedy little bitch.
this is Bert. A police ID number.
Hello? Buzz? Are you okay? What happened?
Good evening. Today, in local news, an as of yet unidentified man carrying a knife has been reported stealing a bag filled with cash. Ironically, according to one of our insiders, the cash inside the bag is in fact a prop for a local film crew. The citizens have now been titling this man as this year's biggest idiot.